Hello, I'm Rolf from Ambient Underfloor Heating, and today we'll be going through the AmbiSoundDeck. This system has been tested to reduce impact noise by 21 dB. The AmbiSoundDeck comes in three main panels. You've got the original AmbiSoundDeck panel in the centre. You then have the AmbiSoundDeck Highway and the AmbiSoundDeck Corner panels for your transit pipework. This is to assist you as the installer with varied pipework layouts. The AmbiSoundDeck comes in an 18mm build-up with our 12mm pipe. The AmbiSoundDeck is suitable for any floor covering with tiles laid directly on top and soft coverings such as carpet, vinyl or even timber floors, recommended with a 4 to 6mm intermediate self-leveling screed build-up. The AmbiSoundDeck must be adhered to the substrate, as this will preserve the acoustic properties. So today we'll be going through the full install and all the steps that you need to consider, as well as tools and materials to make this a comfortable and easy installation. So that's it, the AmbiSoundDeck, complete, installed and pressure tested, ready to go. If you do have any other questions or anything about your project, please do give us a call, drop us an email, we'd be glad to help.